Hi, my name is Misty Cabaniss and welcome to my YouTube channel, Live, Earn, and Play in Central Florida. And today I'm in the beautiful Debary, Florida, which is located just 30 minutes north of downtown Orlando. And I'm in the community Rivington. And today we're going to take a look at the Wekiva model offered by MI Homes. And this is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, rear entry garage, about 2,700 square feet. And these homes start in the mid 400,000s. So let's go in and take a look, but make sure you click the like and subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my tours here in Central Florida. And I'm Misty Cabaniss, the realtor that Jeeps. So let's go take a look.